Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Christmas Eve clean with me. Last weekend we were at my mum's, so we are trying to get on top of the cleaning and all the washing. So what I'm doing at the minute is I'm folding all the washing up that's been hung here for about a week, and trying to get all the dirty stuff down so that we can get organised for Christmas. So this is all the dirty washing that I've got to get through. There's probably quite a few loads here, but here's the progress so far. I've tidied up everywhere. Get the hoover and get behind the bed and sort of clean behind the cupboards here. So I'm hoovering away. There is a little bit of fluff back there, so I thought I'd get that hoovered up. It's easy enough to move. Get the washing on. This is an area that I need to tidy up, and I'm going to do a video over the Christmas holidays because it's an absolute mess. But I'm loving the comfort here. That's one of my favourite scents at the minute. I'm looking for storage solutions in this area actually. Right, we're coming towards the end of the video. This is just a quick clean with me, just to clean our sort of usable areas, our common areas. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Have a lovely Christmas, everybody, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.